Hi, to check IMEI and serial numbers of your Vivo X100 Pro, you need to go into settings first. And for that, let's swipe up to open drawer and here select the settings. So now we need to scroll to the very bottom of the screen so we can go in this About Phone tab. And here, to check the serial number, we will need to go in the software information. And now we can see this serial number. You can copy it if you just press it and select the copy option. To check IMEI numbers, we will need to go in the status, and here is the IMEI for the SIM slot 1 and SIM slot 2. You can also copy them by pressing and selecting to copy. And also you can compare them with one of the boxes in which your device came. Let me show you. Here is the box and here you can see IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and serial number. Just compare them. If it matches, then your device is original. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.